So today we're doing the Global Dealer Technician Challenge here at Thompson Machinery. Essentially, it's our top 9 competitors that took an assessment to get here today. They were our top scorers over all of our territories, and we're meeting here today at LaVergne to have a hands-on competition to determine who we're going to send to the regional Global Dealer Tech Challenge in Arizona this August.
Out of all 3 challenges, I've only had one of these problems in a real-world scenario. The other 2 I've never experienced before, so I'm definitely going to take this as a learning experience and apply it in future scenarios.
Time is crucial in this event. I mean, you don't have a second to spare. You only have 30 minutes to figure out a problem most people can't figure out in a half a day. You definitely have to be on your P's and Q's. At the same time, can't skip a step. You have to be thorough. Time is very crucial. I think it opens your eyes as far as what could actually be wrong with the machine, and kind of expands your views on stuff, on how to think about, what could be wrong with this machine and what's different steps I could take to diagnose this machine faster.
This challenge kind of gives you an idea on where you stand against everybody else. In this case, it was 3 separate systems that we were working on. It kind of gives you an idea on maybe what you're strong at, maybe what you lack a little bit in, and try to progress on that.
Definitely want to give a quick thank you to everybody that's traveled in today. We have people coming from as far as Memphis and Mississippi, and as well as some of the locals here in Nashville. Thank you to the training department for putting everything together, as well as the LaVergne service department for helping out and making sure everything runs smoothly, and all of our volunteers.
I'm Andrew Taylor. I'm a field service technician out of Tupelo, and I'm proud to be the 2025 Tech Challenge winner of Thompson Machinery. Words can't even express what is going on inside of my head right now, that I'm going to be the one that's going to Arizona to represent Thompson Machinery. My advice for anybody that wants to try this next year, I would brush up on CAT's 7 steps of troubleshooting. I would definitely make sure that you are proficient with a multimeter and really start to learn SIS in the symptom troubleshooting. I'd like to thank my wife, all my friends and family. I'd like to thank the trainers we have up here. I'd like to thank everybody that's been above me, Mason, Allen, John David, Brad Hughes, the guy that I started with. That was the first guy I was with in the shop when I first started with Thompson Machinery. Basically everybody out of Tupelo. I mean, they're the reason why I got here.